親友はクリスを待ってるんだ。クリスはいつも遅れて登場する。その理由は髪型を完璧に整えるため。でも遅れる言い訳は決まってこういうんだ。 The train was delayed。 つまり電車が遅れててさって。もうすぐクリスがやってくる。見てて。
Sorry I'm late, guys. The E-train was delayed.
So, guys, what are your plans for Christmas? It's only a week away.
1週間後のクリスマスの予定って別に仕事だよ。I'm just gonna work.
Work? What? No way. Well, I just got invited to this huge holiday party at the Rainbow Room, top of the Rockefeller Center. And I might get a chance to meet Bruno Mars this year.
ブルーノ・マーズと一緒にパーティーあと1週間でクリスマス。エディは毎年セレブの集まるクリスマスパーティーを開催。そしてクリスは毎年 The One 特別な人との出会いを待ってる。 What about you, Chris? Any special plans?
You know me. I want a special romance. No, really, guys. I'm gonna meet the one.
Yeah, sure. And I am ready for a strong shot of espresso. Where is the waitress? Oh, Miss...
Oh, welcome to Cafe Demore. What can I get you guys?
彼女はこのカフェの新人のメアリー。そして2階で多分インスタの更新をしているのがジェニー。この店のスペシャルドリンクはいつも独特なんだ。僕たちは絶対に頼まないそのスペシャルを毎回興味本位で訪ねてみる。今日のスペシャルは What is today's special?
Today's special is the mocha chocolate caramello affogato with whipped cream and sprinkles.
No.
We also have a holiday pumpkin
Yeah,
extravaganza.
I'll just take an espresso, doppio.
僕はカフェラテ please.
Yeah, can I get a... Wait, did you say doppio?
Doppio, it means double.
エスプレッソのダブル You're gonna be so wired, man.
Yeah, I'll just get a cappuccino. Where'd she go? Ah, don't you hate it when waitresses do that?
まあ落ち着けよ。彼女まだ新人なんだから。 She's a new waitress.
Yeah, see, they're always there when you don't need them.
Sorry,
And then when you actually need something, they're nowhere to be found.
Excuse me,
pretty
sir.
much me. I've never waited tables a day in my life, but I think at the very least I'll be able to get together.
Hey, what can I get you to drink?
Wow. Hi. I'm Cappuccino.
Hello, Mr. Cappuccino. I'm Mary.
Oh no, I mean I'm Chris. Shoot. And I'd like a cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Yeah, with the foam on the top, it reminds me of snow.
Me too. Okay then, Mr. Chris. So it's espresso,
Doppio.
cafe latte, and cappuccino. Extra snow.
求めていたロマンスがようやく彼に訪れたのかも。 Hey Chris!
What's on your mind?
Mary,
Chris.
excuse me.
Yes.
I want
The coffee. Oh, I'm so sorry.
No. Actually, I just wanted to talk to you. Oh. So, where are you from?
New York. You?
Oh, I'm from Australia.
Fancy accent.
ああ、わかりますよね。こう何にも進まない感じ。
出身は
New York. Anatawa.
Oh, Australia.
Ooh, Osharina accent on there.
Listen, buddy, you're in. Now close the deal and ask around.
そうだよ、せっかく舞い降りたロマンスを逃すな、クリス。
Could I take you out for dinner sometime?
クリスがメアリーをデートに誘った。メアリーの答えはもちろ
Oh
ん。
no.
What?
Oh no. That came out so wrong. I'm so sorry.
確かに急な展開にびっくりするメアリーの気持ちはわかる。そうだ、いいこと考えた。
But
ロマンティックな音楽をお願い。
The music is romantic, isn't it?
yes, it is romantic.
Go, Chris.
Say yes.
Look, it's just a date, just to get to know each other better.
そうだよ、お互い知り合うための単なるデート。メアリー。
I guess it's just a date. No big deal, right?
Exactly. So, what do you say?
Come on, Mary.
I'll say yes. Yes! I just never thought I would meet a complete stranger and suddenly feel like everything just shifted. When I was small and Christmas trees were tall, we used to laugh while others used to play. Don't ask me why, the time has passed us by. Someone else moved in from far away. Oh, day, moon on that day. Zooto, kagayaki.
When I was small and Christmas trees were tall, we used to love while others used to play. Ask me why the time has passed us by. Someone else will come far away. Mary.
Hey, Chris. Here you go.
Whoa, what's this?
Your cappuccino. Here you go.
Oh, what's this?
My phone number.
Oh, thank you.
Could I get your phone number?
Yes, but are you ever gonna call me
Well, yeah, how's next Thursday night for dinner?
next Thursday? Wait, that's Christmas Eve.
Yeah, Christmas Eve.
ついにクリスマスイブにメアリーと会う約束を。
I want to spend Christmas Eve with you.
メアリーの答えは。
Yes!
Oh, yay! Thank you so much.
Gotcha.